Hello everybody, welcome to Python programming examples for beginners and professionals video series. So in this video, I'm going to explain about Python program to check whether a given number is prime or not. So this is the Python shell. I'll go to file. I'll take new file. Yeah, this is the program that we are going to implement. Write a Python program to check whether a given number is prime or not. So this line I have commented here. This single line comment. If you want to comment anything, you can put hash before that line. It will get commented. Now, to check whether number is prime or not, I should accept one number from the user that I'll store it in a variable called n. So whatever number I'm reading, that I'm storing in a variable called n. Now, I'll make use of one variable called flag. This variable I'll initialize with false. You can write true or false. You cannot write 0 and 1 in Python. So after that, I'll check whether the number is prime or not. For that, I'll make use of the for loop. When you say the number is prime, if the number is divisible by 1 in itself, it's called a prime number. That I have to check whether this number will get divisible by any other number or not. I'll make use of the for loop. For I in range, I'll start from 2 because all the number will get divisible by 1. So if you want to check the number whether it is a prime or not, always you have to start with 2, and then I'll go to up to n. So you can go up to n by 2 also, because that is the maximum number where we can divide any number. Or you can use n as well. The next, I'll check whether we can divide this number with any other number or not. I'll take the variable. I'll take the number n. I'll divide this number with first I. I'll check whether the remainder is a 0 or not. If remainder is 0, then I'll change the flag value to true. Then I'll break from the loop. I'll use a break. Break is a statement which is used to come out of the loop. The next, I'll use one if condition. I'll check if flag is set, then I can say the number is not a prime. The given number, that is, I'll print the number also, is not a prime number. Else the number is a prime number. Okay, I'll save it. So let us understand this for loop. In this for loop, we have started a range from 2 to n. That means our the variable I goes up to n minus 1. So initially the I value will be 2, and we are checking here the red number is divisible by 2 or not. We will check with the next number. So like that, our iteration variable I will go up to n minus 1, and whatever number we have taken that get divisible by any other number, we will get remainder 0. If the remainder 0, and we are changing flag value to true, and we are coming out of the for loop, and we are checking here if flag, when does the flag will set? If the number get divisible by any other number, at that time flag will get set, and we are checking the given number is not a prime. If not, the original value, that is false, will be there in the flag. So the given number is prime number. Let us see the output. I'll enter 9. So here we are getting the given number 9 is not prime number because we can divide 9 by 3. Next one, assume that I will give 11. So 11 is prime number because we cannot divide 11 with any other number. So we are getting it's a prime number. Dear friends, I hope you understood this program. Thank you. Thank you so much.